Always so good. Hi and welcome back to New Forest Feast. We're tackling the very effective, super fast and really tasty pita pizzas and tortilla bread pizzas, all cooked in the air fryer. So let's cook. So it really doesn't get easier than this. It needs some tortilla breads or pita breads, tomato sauce, grated cheese and some ham. Then a sharp knife. Now you can add whatever ingredients you want to it, but the base is going to be the cheese and the tomato sauce. So slice the tortilla breads in half, and with the pita breads, you need to open them up. Then spread out 1 dessert spoon of tomato sauce on the tortilla half, and then thinking of this half of the tortilla as 3 pizza slices together, just on the middle slice you're going to be adding some grated cheese and then some broken up ham. The reason why we break up the ham is what you don't want to be doing is biting into this really hot filling and pulling out a long sliver of ham to burn your lips, chin and anything else getting in contact with it. Now, at risk of sounding just like an IKEA instruction book, which I really hate, but here you're just going to grab the unloaded sections at the top of the bottom and fold it over the middle part. Once you've got that, flip the whole thing over and you've got a nice pizza shape with no edges. Now you can do one of 3 things. Either add a little bit of tomato sauce and sprinkle that with cheese, like a pizza topping, or you can just sprinkle cheese directly onto the tortilla. Adds a bit more of a crispier feel to it, or just keep it as a straight tortilla and add a real crunch. Using parchment paper, place the pizza then on top of this and get them in the air fryer. For the pita breads, it's a very similar process. You're going to be adding the tomato sauce and the fillings on the inside, and then on top you can add tomato and grated cheese, choice is yours. So whilst I'm filming this pita bread, it's a great time to say to you guys that I'm a brand new channel, I'm looking for subscribers, followers, and I'd love to hear your comments. The only way for my channel to grow and survive is going to be with the help of you lot. So if you're interested in this or anything else I'm cooking, please follow, please like, please comment, it means the world to me. Right, let's carry on cooking. A little bit off script here, but I'm going to stuff some mushrooms in here, nice thinly sliced. So I suppose in the end I'm the one who's going to have to eat it. Now as standard, I tend to put these on for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. But check on the midway and adjust the cooking time accordingly, and make sure that parchment paper is held down properly. If it does get blown up, it can get into the elements, start to burn, or can come over the top of the food and prevent it cooking. Once they're all cooked, bring them out of the air fryer, and I always recommend cut them in the middle to leave that steam escape. Right, my favourite bit, the tasting. Now I've let it cool down a bit, I know from experience, if you bite into these, it's going to burn. So let it cool down, let's give it a go. So good, always are so good. And if this filling doesn't float your boat, pack it with whatever you want. Leftovers, we've gone here ham and cheese, but quite often I'll have leftover bolognese in them, or fajitas, gyros, Sunday lunch, whatever you want. Fish, tuna, do it whatever you want. But yeah, I'll catch you next time.